So let's start this. Okay. So X is, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
5th May. All right, so let's do the second part. First part तो हमने कर लिया था. You remember that? आ गया था आपको
Yeah.
first part समझ में? Fine.
Yeah.
So let's do the second part. Please write down the question.
Yeah, everything is.
Okay. So over here, first recognize, identify the terms. Okay. This is one term. This is one term. And this is one term. All right. Do
Yeah.
we have anything that's common over here?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Very good. Okay. Let's
So we
take 2
can
by
write the first term and the last term together, and the
Very
middle one we
good.
can write to the last.
Very good. Okay. Now let's take 2 by 5 common. 2 by 5 multiplied by. Now what do we have remaining in the first one?
Minus 3 by 7
Very
plus
good.
1 by 4.
1 by 14.
Yeah, sorry, 1 by 14.
Okay. Then what's the one that's remaining in the end? 1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2.
So we take the
Um,
LCM of 7 and 14,
Very
and
good.
it
What
will
is the
be
LCM of 7 and
14.
14? Very good. It is 14. Then what do we write over here?
Minus 6 by 7 plus
Minus 6 by 7? No. Minus 6. So we have taken this LCM, which is 14. We have taken that as a common denominator. Okay.
sorry, minus 6 by 14.
Minus 6 by 14 plus
1.
1 by 14. है ना? Okay. Now what do we have over here?
It
What do we
will
have
be
over here?
minus 3 by 12.
Minus 3 by 12. Okay. Can we cancel this 3 and this 6? Can we say that 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6?
We don't cancel them.
Why can't we cancel them?
Yeah, we can.
See over here, these both are being multiplied with each other, no? So we can easily cancel them. 3 twos are 6. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now what do we have remaining? This becomes?
Can we cancel 1 and 2?
Where? How can you cancel 1 and 2?
There is 2
1 and
in
2 को
one
cancel
table.
करके आपको क्या मिलेगा? हाँ तो मिलेगा क्या आपको वो cancel करने के बाद? You'll get the same thing. You'll have 1 twos are 2. कुछ change नहीं हुआ ना? It's the same thing. पहले भी 1 by 2 था, अब भी 1 by 2 है.
So the answer is just 2.
It's 1 by 4 ना? 2 into 2 is what? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And the numerator में you have 1. Are you understanding?
Wait, like when we cancel 1 and 2, we will get 2. No, when we cancel 1 and 2, we will get, we will get 2.
Everything is clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's proceed. So abhi we are taking care of this thing. This is one term. ठीक है? So this is 2 by 5 multiplied by, अब ये जो न्यूमरेटर में है इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करिए.
-5 by 14.
Very good. -5 by 14, and over here we have 1 by 4. ठीक है? Now can we simplify this? यहाँ पे कुछ cancel होएगा?
Can we just write 1 by 4 as 4 minus 4?
बच्चे 1 by 4 and 4, are they the same thing?
No.
Are they the same thing, Hiba?
But like I cancelled 1 and 2 in 1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2, we cancel 6 and 3 by 2, and then we were left with 1 and 2. So I cancelled 1 and 2 by 2. So then we have 2 multiplied by 2 only. So we will get 4.
How will you cancel 1 and 2 by 2? What do you have common in this numerator and this denominator?
No, 1 and then 3 by 2. 3 is cancelled, and the 1, 2 that is remaining, I cancel it by that, not the one that is below 1.
This one, you're talking about this?
Yeah, I cancelled it by that too.
By what? Okay, you are saying this and this you're gonna cancel.
No, 1 and 2.
Then this one and this 2.
Yeah.
ये cancel करके आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगी? 1 multiplied by what is 2?
2.
1 multiplied by what is 2? 2, right?
Yeah.
So आप यहाँ पे cancel करने के बाद भी 2 ही तो लिखेंगी. यहाँ पे change क्या आया? आपने इसको cancel करके फिर से 2 लिख दिया.
So then it will be just
What
4
have you
and not
changed
1
here?
by 4.
How will it be 4, बच्चे? It is, see, it is 1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2. Numerator में there is 1 into 3, या फिर okay, you want to do it in another way, तभी same ही answer आएगा. Multiply the numerator with each other and multiply the denominator with each other. ठीक है? Numerator का 3 into 1 is 3 and 6 into 2 is 12. Now tell me, when you simplify, जो कि we have done this in 7th grade also, when you simplify it, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So this is 1 by 4. यहाँ पे भी 1 by 4 ही आ रहा है. How is 1 by 4 going to be equal to 4? They're opposite. This is the reciprocal.
Okay, I got.
Got it? Pakka?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, can you solve this? Can we simplify this particular term?
Yeah. It will be
कैसे होगा?
-10 by 70.
Okay, before आपने multiply किया है, right? What you've done is multiplication. Before multiplying two fractions, we should always first look if we can cancel something. Can we cancel this 5 and this -5?
Yeah. By -1.
है ना? -1 हो जाएगा. This minus sign is there and this 1. 2 sevens are 14.
-1 by 7.
Very good. So
-1 by 7.
-1 by 7. And what do we have? अब क्या बच रहा है उसमें?
-1 by 4.
1 by 4. इसको solve करिए. What's the LCM?
28.
हाँ 28। ऊपर क्या आएगा न्यूमरेटर में?
-7. Sorry, -4 -7 by 28.
Very good. -4 -7. So what is
Then
-4 -7?
-11 by 28.
Very good. So that's the answer. Okay.
Okay, I understood now.
अब आपने क्या बताया था? What which second one is omitted, third one is omitted, right?
Yeah, but I still have one doubt.
हाँ
That
पूछिए।
1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2. So we cancel 3 and 6 by 2. So then it will be 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. So we
No
can
बच्चे,
cancel
it's not 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. It's 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2.
So like, why can't we just cancel 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 again?
इसमें क्या कैंसिल हो रहा है?
No, 1 from the left side and 2 from the right side. We can cancel it and then write 2.
कहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगी आप? यहाँ पे?
Yeah.
Hiba, how has this changed anything? It's gonna be the same. अभी भी अभी इसको कैंसिल करने से पहले it was 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. कैंसिल करने के बाद भी अब क्या है? This is still the same thing, right? 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 again. This is what? 1 by 2 only.
Okay, I
कुछ
understand
चेंज
now.
थोड़ी हुआ है. You got it?
Yeah.
पक्का?
Yeah.
Okay. Your doubt is cleared?
Yes.
Okay. Next. I think
It's
your
the
second,
fifth question.
fifth question. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. You have to just name the property. Okay? You can just write it in your textbook, but use a pencil. Don't use a pen in the textbook.
Okay.
Which is this property? What have they done here? -4 by 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by -4 by 5. Which property is this?
Distributive.
No, this is not distributive.
With commutative.
Yeah, this is commutative. हिबा आप इसको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए इस चीज की, ठीक है? You need to know the names of the properties, ठीक है?
Okay.
सेकंड वाला बताइए.
Distributive.
बच्चे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव हमेशा वो होता है when there is something like a multiplied by b plus c or a multiplied by b minus c or a divided by, no, not divided by, just multiplied by. ठीक है? ठीक है हिबा?
Yeah. So will it be commutative?
Yeah, again it's commutative.
But how is the first one commutative?
बच्चे commutative का मतलब क्या होता है?
Like if you change the sides, the answer will be the same.
Yeah, exactly. And actually the first one can also, you can also call it existence of identity. ये identity भी है. Why? Because दो चीजों को multiply करके finally answer क्या आ रहा है? This number itself. यही वापस आंसर मिल रहा है.
Multiplicative identity.
Yes, multiplicative identity. There can be two correct answers to this. एक तो ये कि commutative property या दूसरा multiplicative identity.
Okay, I understand.
Second वाला is commutative. Third वाला बताइए क्या है? There's -19 by 29 and they are multiplying it with 29 by minus 19, and it is giving you 1. Which property is this?
Multiplicative inverse.
Very good. This is inverse. Multiplicative inverse. ठीक है. Sixth वाला नहीं आ रहा?
No. What if the question was instead of multiplicative inverse, it was additive inverse? How would the question look like?
Then it would have been like this. Let me give you an example of additive inverse. 3 by 5. Sorry, minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 0. This is additive inverse. So, Maya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's this 7 questions.
7th one. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 multiplied by 6 into 4 by 3 as, मतलब, what the question is saying is कि आपको कौन सी property allow करती है that if you want to find this, you can also solve 1 by 3 into 6 first and then 4 by 3 later. Which property is this?
Distributive.
No. ध्यान से देखो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Yes, this is associative. Because यहाँ पे you are changing the order of computation.
What is the difference between associative property and distributive?
Associative property में bracket के अंदर and bracket के बाहर there's going to be the same sign. Okay? But in distributive property, there is going to be one sign outside the bracket and a different sign inside the bracket.
Okay, I understand now.
Okay. Next, 8th question. 8 वाला आ रहा है?
No, 8, 9 are omitted as well.
Okay. 8 and 9 are omitted. ठीक है. Next is 10th.
Yeah, 10 and 11.
Okay. Rational number. Name a rational number that does not have a reciprocal. We talked about this yesterday.
I know it is 0. But
yeah,
like it doesn't have reciprocal because it is undefined.
Because reciprocal क्या होता है? अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं what is the reciprocal of A? What will you say?
1 by A.
Very good, 1 by A. What's the reciprocal of 0? 1 by 0, but that is not defined. So that's why we say that 0 does not have a reciprocal.
Okay, I understand now.
ठीक है. Second one.
The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals.
कोई ऐसा rational number बताइए. Very good, 1 and
-1.
Very good. What is the reciprocal of -1? -1 by 1, है ना? Which is equal to again -1.
But like I've never seen a reciprocal that has -1 in it.
Okay. Let's take an example of a negative number. Find the reciprocal of -2. What's the reciprocal of -2?
minus 1 by minus 2.
No, not minus 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. ठीक है, 1 by the number. अभी हमने क्या देखा था? अभी just now you only told me the definition of reciprocal.
Yeah, but there's no minus 1 in it.
There's no minus 1 in it, but Hiba, this a can be any number. This a can be a negative number also. So for this minus 2, imagine that a is minus 2. Minus 2 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 1 by minus 2.
Can it be minus 1 by 2?
Yeah, it can be. It's gonna be the same thing. ये minus sign ऊपर चला जाएगा, है ना?
Okay.
Now, what is the reciprocal of 3 by minus 5?
Minus 5 by 3 or minus 3. No, 5 by minus 3.
Very good. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया?
Yeah. Then the rational number that is equal to its negative.
कोई ऐसा rational number which is equal to its own negative, यानी कि a is equal to minus a. सोचिए,
1.
is 1 equal to minus 1?
0.
No. Yeah, 0, because positive 0 and negative 0, it's the same thing, है ना?
But 0, but when we're writing 0 on a number line, it has no negative sign.
Yeah, it has no negative sign. It has no positive sign either. That's because 0 एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जिसके लिए अगर आप इस नंबर के आगे minus 0 भी लगा दें, it's gonna be the same thing. For example, if I say 5 plus 0, or if I say 5 minus 0, it's going to be the same thing, right? Plus 0 and minus 0 is the same. ठीक है?
Okay, I understood.
Now 11th. 0 has dash reciprocal.
And no reciprocal.
Very good, no reciprocal. Then read out the next
The
question.
numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocal.
ये अभी हमने किया है.
Minus 1 and 1.
हाँ, 1 and minus 1. The reciprocal of minus 5 is?
The second question, can you explain it? I didn't understand.
The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. अभी यही तो किया था हमने. This one, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals.
Can you explain once again?
Okay, fine. See, कौन से ऐसे rational numbers हैं which are equal to their own reciprocals, या फिर ऐसे rational numbers जो खुद के reciprocals हैं, which are their own reciprocals. मतलब 1 is the reciprocal of itself, है ना? 1, what is the reciprocal of 1?
1 by 1.
And that is equal to
1.
So we can say that the reciprocal of 1 is itself, है ना? 1 is the reciprocal of itself. Can we say that?
Oh yeah, I understood now.
Similarly with minus 1 also. Now 11th question, part B.
The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5.
Very good.
Or
minus 1
1
by 5.
minus 5.
Yeah, you can just say minus 1 by 5. That will be enough.
The fourth question I didn't understand.
Okay, what is the reciprocal of 1 by x? Hmm. अच्छा हिबा, टेल मी वन थिंग. What is the, again अभी हमने देखा था कि what is the reciprocal of A?
1 by A.
अच्छा, then what is the reciprocal of 1 by A?
A.
Very good, yes, A. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by X?
X.
Very good, yes, that's the answer.
So what does where X is not equal to 0 mean?
Because they're just saying कि X should not be 0. जैसे हम लिखते हैं ना, what is the definition of rational number? P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे भी where Q is not equal to 0, X is not equal to 0 लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? It's not a major part of the question, ठीक है?
Okay.
Hmm.
The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number.
Very good, rational number. Then
the reciprocal of the reciprocal of a positive rational number is negative.
रेसिप्रोकल, अच्छा आप एक एग्जांपल लेके देखिए, एक पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर लीजिए 2/3, इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या है?
3/2. So it is
3
positive.
by, हाँ पॉजिटिव. So reciprocal of a positive rational numbers is always positive. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is always negative. ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक है. हाँ, अब आप मुझे बताने वाली थी कि आपके सेकंड एक्सरसाइज में से what all is deleted.
The second exercise it is deleted.
Entire second exercise is deleted.
Yeah.
And third, अच्छा there's no third exercise. Fine. Second chapter में, हाँ, you didn't tell me about second chapter. What all is deleted and what all is coming.
Wait,
I
can
think,
you wait 1 minute? I will just check if the one by exercise 1.2 is omitted or not.
हाँ, okay, no problem.
Yeah, that exercise is omitted.
Okay, ठीक है. अब आप मुझे सेकंड चैप्टर के बारे में बताइए.
Okay, wait a second. So the 2 by 1, the whole exercise is there, and 2 by 2 it is omitted. Full.
2.2 is omitted. Okay.
Yeah, and then 2.3 it is there, the full exercise.
Okay, please.
And then 2.4 is also omitted, full.
2.4 is also omitted.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 2.5 it is there. the full exercise.
Hmm.
Yeah. And yeah, just that. 2.6 is also not there.
2.6 is also not there. Okay, all the even numbers are not there. Fine.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Also, next week I have my monthly test, and then next month we have our exams.
Which exams are they next month?
PT1.
PT1. Okay. Next month as in June, now.
Yeah. They haven't given the dates or the portions yet.
Acha, acha. Okay. And can you tell me next week when is your test?
We don't know when is the test. We don't know the portion also.
Okay, fine. In your school, which chapter are they doing right now?
They just completed the 5th chapter.
They have done chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and now they're on chapter 5.
No, they completed the chapter 1, chapter 2, then chapter 3 and 4 they haven't completed. Then they completed chapter 5th. Now I guess they will do chapter 6, or they haven't informed.
Chalo, okay, fine. Also, Hiba, we have a class tomorrow also. You know that, right?
Okay.
Tomorrow, we have a 1.5 hour class tomorrow?
What time?
Same time?
Okay, sure.
Okay, Hiba, about the time, we can discuss it later, and I'll let you know, okay? About the time.
Okay.
All right. Now let's come to this exercise 2.1. Just a minute. Okay, Ba. Can you solve these? Let's see if you can solve these. X minus 2 equals 7. We've done this last year, na?
Yeah.
What should we do?
We will bring minus. We will write 7 plus 2.
Very good. So, क्या बन जाएगी equation?
X is equal to 9.
Very good. ठीक है, x is equal to 9. ठीक है. So you can quickly do the second one, third one, all of these. चलिए जल्दी करके बताइए.
I just have a doubt in the 8th one.
8th one, chalo, okay, let's do the 8th one. 1.6 equals y by 1.5. क्या doubt है?
I don't know how to do because of the decimals.
Decimals are scaring you, huh? Getting scared by the decimals. Yeah. Don't worry. See, decimals से ना कभी भी घबराना नहीं चाहिए. They treat them just like normal numbers. ठीक है?
Okay.
Think of this as 16. Just अगर आपको डर लग रहा है, just think of this as 16. Think of this as 15 for the time being. और जब calculate कर रहे होंगे तब हम उसको as a decimal treat करेंगे. But just don't fear them. So now just imagine if these were normal number, like apart from decimals, if these were whole numbers, what would you have done?
I would bring 15 to the other side, and then
Very
it will
good.
be 15 multiplied by 16.
Very good. So now it's 1.6 multiplied by 1.5. ठीक?
Yeah.
Is equal to y. है ना?
Yeah. Wait, I'm solving it right now.
Very good.
Y is equal to 2.40.
Very good, 2.40. ठीक है. Next, any
And
other doubt?
also the fourth one.
Fourth one, okay.
The first we will bring 7 to the other side, right? We'll multiply it.
No, you can't just bring 7 because that 7 is attached to something. That 7 is attached to this 3. तो ये एक पूरी term है. 3/7 एक साथ जाएगा.
Okay, so 17 multiplied, sorry, 17 divided by 7 multiplied by 3/7.
No, not multiplied. Hiba, tell me one thing. ये जो 3/7 है, ये यहाँ पे ये ऐड हो रहा है x के साथ या ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है x के साथ?
They're being added.
Added, right? So आप इसका additive inverse लेंगे, है ना?
Yeah,
Not
so
multiplicative
minus,
inverse. Very good. X is equal to 17/7 minus 3/7. Because what is the additive inverse of 3/7? Minus 3/7. Yes?
yeah.
ठीक है. अब बताइए 17/7 हो गया minus 3/7 हो गया, क्या हो जाएगा?
So x is equal to 14/7.
Very good. 14/7. ठीक है. What is 14/7?
It will be 2/1.
2/1. And what is 2/1?
2.
2. Exactly. ठीक है. And so I believe you can do all of the other ones as well. Can
Just
you do
the last one.
the 9th one? No, 13th one.
No, 12.
Sorry, 12th.
13 is not there.
12th one.
So first we can bring plus 1 to the other side. So it will be -1.
Very good. X by 3 is equal to 7/15 minus 1. What will the right hand side
And
become?
then
पहले इसको solve करिए.
it will be 6/15. X by 3 is equal to 6/15 multiplied by 3.
No, not 6/15 बच्चे. What is the LCM? यहाँ पे denominator में there is 1, right? There's an imaginary 1 over
15.
here. Denominator, sorry, LCM is 15. ठीक है. Now what does the numerator become? 15 into 1 is 15. So 7 into 1 is 7. Minus
7
1 into
7
15.
minus 15.
7 minus 15. ठीक है. What is 7 minus 15?
Minus 8/15.
Very good. Minus 8/15. चलो ठीक है.
Then
So basically 8
multiplied by 3.
What does this become? X by 3 equals minus 8/15. So x equals
minus 24/15.
Hiba, what did I tell you? Before multiplying it, पहले आप ये देखिए कुछ कैंसिल तो नहीं हो रहा है.
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है कैंसिल?
But like, what if I forget to cancel it and I just write the answer?
Okay, if you forget to cancel it and you write down the answer, that's not an issue. But आपको at the end of the day, you'll have to simplify your fraction, है ना? Because if you don't simplify it, your teacher might not give you full marks. ठीक है? You have to simplify. और ज्यादा आसान ये होता है कि before multiplying it, we simplify. Because अब आप एक बार multiply कर लेंगे, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult for you to simplify it or to cancel it. हमें simplify करना है.
Minus 8/5.
Yeah, minus 8/5. When it is already simple, तभी हम उसको simplify कर लेंगे तो it will be easier. minus 8 by 5. Anything else?
The rest I will do as the homework.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And send them to me. Okay. Solve the following equations and check your results. ठीक है?
This one is not that hard. I can do it by myself.
पक्का?
Yeah. I will
कैसे
go
करेंगे?
and send you the. Okay. First, the first question. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So first upon we will write all the terms together. So 3x and 2x are one term. So we will write 3x minus 2x because 2x is on the other side. So it is positive there. So when we bring it to the other side, it will become negative.
Very
and
good.
Then is equal to positive 18.
Very
And
good.
then we will solve 3 minus 2, which will be 1. So we can just write it as x is equal to 18.
Very good, Hiba. I really like the way you explained the entire thing. Very good. Now I think you will be finding all of them easy, except maybe I'm not sure. Maybe you might want to do the 8th one. 8th one आप मेरे सामने कर लीजिए, उसके बाद I will understand कि हाँ बाकी सारे आप खुद से कर लेंगे. It's not difficult at all, but it's a little bit different because it involves fractions and everything. So I thought you might want to do it in class. हाँ जी.
So first we will bring all the terms together. So 2x
All the like terms
by
together. What will we bring together? All the like terms.
like terms.
Very good. Yeah.
2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1.
Very good. Next.
So we will find the LCM of 3 and 15, which will be 15.
Very good.
So wait, let me. Then it will be 10 minus
10.
7.
Okay. 10 minus 7.
10x minus 7x by 15.
Very good. Then.
And then it will be 3x by
3x.
15.
What is 3 minus 1? RHS में क्या होगा?
No. 10x minus 7x.
अच्छा, you're talking about that. Okay. चलो. Okay. 3x by 15 equals
4.
What is 3 minus 1, Hiba?
Sorry, 2.
Now, before sending your 15 to the other side, आप यहीं पे 3 और 15 में cancel कर लीजिए. What will it be?
But aren't 3x by 15 like one term?
Yeah. So it is one term. That's why we're cancelling it, right? Two different terms में तो cancel नहीं कर सकते ना? See?
But
okay,
why did you say before bringing?
Before bringing, because जब आप after जब आप उसको when you take it to the other side, it will become a larger number, which becomes more difficult to simplify. That's why मैंने कहा कि before bringing it. अगर आप after bringing करेंगे, no problem, but it's just become a little bit more difficult. That's all. ठीक है? So बताइए.
It will be x by 5.
Very good. X by 5. So this is basically x by 5 equals 2. Then x equals?
What if it was 3x by 16 and we couldn't cancel it? So
then we won't be able to cancel. Then we will, if it is 3x by 16 equals 2, Then we will just send this 16 to the opposite side and the 3 to the opposite side. So it will become x equals 2 multiplied by 16 by 3. Okay.
Why not 3 by 16?
Okay.
Okay, I
Hiba,
understood.
here it is being multiplied, hai na? So we will take multiplicative inverse of 3 by 16. Multiplicative inverse of 3 by 16 is 16 by 3. Okay?
Can we just write it as 2 multiplied by 16, and then it will be 36 by 3.
32. 16 2s are 36,
Yeah, sorry,
Hiba?
32 by 3.
Haan, 32 by 3.
Okay.
It'll be the same answer. Now, Hiba, iska answer bataiye ab aap.
But aren't they like one term? So why are we like, breaking them apart and then taking them?
You're talking about, acha. You are saying, why are we breaking this entire thing is one term, 3x by 16. So why are we breaking them?
Yeah.
हिबा तो इस तरह से अगर आप ऐसे करेंगे कि 5x equals 10, यहाँ पे 5x भी एक ही टर्म है ना, but then what you do is you do break them apart. 5 को आप दूसरे साइड पे ले जाते हैं because you want to simplify it, है ना? ये तो हमें करना ही होता है. Got it?
Yeah.
ठीक है. So I think the rest of this exercise you can do by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then it will be 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10.
Yeah. Now let's come to exercise 2.5. This is also easy.
Wait, can you wait a minute? I'm just checking something.
Okay. By the way, 8th grade is the easiest grade that there is, as per your level of understanding, as per the level of understanding of students. 8th grade is very easy.
Wait, in that 2.3, the question is solve the following equations and check your results. What do
And
they
check
mean
your
by
answer.
check your results?
Okay. What do they mean by check your answers? Yeah, good point. I forgot to mention it. जो आपका ये निकला है ना x equals 18, you put this value back in the original equation. जहां जहां पे x है वहां वहां पे आप ये वैल्यू डालिए एंड देखिए कि LHS equals RHS आ रहा है या नहीं. For example, let me show it over here. Okay, so यहाँ पे you will say putting x equals 18. This is the checking wala part, check your solution wala part kar rahe hain hum. So LHS becomes what? 3
3x.
into 18. Yes, 3x, which is 3 into 18, which is 54. Right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. RHS becomes
2 multiplied by 18 plus 18.
2 into 18 plus 18, which
So
is what?
36
36
18.
plus 18, which is again 54.
So LHS
So then,
is equal to RHS.
yes, exactly. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, our solution is correct. Okay? You don't have to write all of that. You can just write this.
Can we also do the 7th question?
Sure. Okay. Can you, all right, never mind. I'll see it myself. Seventh question. This one. X equals 4 by 5 multiplied by x plus 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the first thing you need to do is open the bracket.
But how will we open the bracket?
कैसे करते हैं? Just look at this. कैसे करते हैं हिबा? 4, if you have any number, let's say a multiplied by b plus c, ये क्या हो जाता है? This is the distributive property, remember?
Yeah.
कैसे करते हैं इसको? What does this become after opening the bracket?
A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C.
Exactly. So the same thing you'll do here also. Can you tell me what it will become?
4 by 5 multiplied by X plus 4 by 5 plus no plus
सही बोल रही हैं आप.
4 by 5 multiplied by 10.
This becomes what? 4x by 5. है ना? This thing, it becomes 4x by 5. And this thing, it becomes 40 by 5. Yes? 4 tens are 40.
Yeah.
Now, can we send 4x by 5 to the other side?
What if we just cancel them?
Cancel what?
Oh no, we can't cancel them. So like when the denominators are the same, we can't cancel the numerator and the denominator. Like 40 by 5.
Bacha, you can cancel it. Okay, fine. You want to cancel it? Kar lijiye cancel, no problem. 5 8s are 40. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 1 बच गया और ऊपर 8 है. अब आप इसको सेंड करिए ऑपोजिट साइड पे.
It will be it will be 8 minus x.
Why will you send 8? You have to send x, right? You have to send this term, right? The blue term.
Sorry.
X minus 4x by 5.
Why can't we send 8 to the other side?
हिबा, हमें like terms को एक साथ करना होता है ना?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Like terms मतलब यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x है. So we need to make sure that the x is together with its family. Okay. Is equal to 8.
So why did we solve x plus 10?
Why did we solve? We didn't solve it, बच्चे. We opened the bracket. Why? Because ये हमारा जो x plus 10 है ना, what is our ultimate goal? We have to send the x to the other side. But how will you send it to the other side when it is already attached? It is attached with all of these things. X plus 10 multiplied by 4 by 5. तो आप इस x को अकेले नहीं भेज सकते. You have to send, either you will send the entire bracket over here, but that's not going to do you any good. So what you're going to do is you're going to first open the bracket and separate the x को हमने separate कर दिया. अब ये free हो गया. Now the x is free to go. Here it was not free to go because here it was being bound by this bracket. Understood?
Yeah.
So here our x became free to move. So we sent it the 4x by 5. We sent it to the other side. Okay?
Can we write x by 1 minus 4x by 5?
Sure. Now you have to solve these.
So the LCM will be 5. So 5x and then 5x minus 4x by 5, which will be x is equal to, no, x by 5 is equal to 8. And then we will bring it to the other side. Then x will be 40.
Very good. ठीक है?
Yeah, so to check it, we will, how will we check it?
How will we check it? So your x is 40. So this means that you send this, or you put this value in place of x in the original equation. Okay? So putting,
Why do we have to do that?
that is what you call checking, right? Checking मतलब ये कि हमने जो solution निकाला है, is that even correct or not? So if you remember last year, you used to do such questions. आपके जो first exercise थी उसमें ऐसे questions थे. Check whether x is equal to 2 is a solution of the following equation. है ना? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हुआ करते थे. तो वही सेम चीज हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. We are checking whether x is equal to 40, जो हमारे आंसर आया है ये सही आया है या हमने कोई गड़बड़ करी है. So x is equal to 40, you're going to put it in the original equation. ठीक है?
Okay, I understood.
So now your LHS is what? 40? What's your RHS?
With how is LHS just 40? Because
Okay.
if we solve the RHS, then we will get a number that is not 40.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I guess.
Wait. First, step by step चलेंगे. LHS is what? First, tell me what is LHS?
40.
40. अब RHS पे आइए. RHS is 4 by 5 multiplied by x plus 10. What is x?
40.
40. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 40 plus 10. What is 40 plus 10?
50.
50. 40 plus 10 is 50. What is 5? अब हम यहाँ पे 5 और 50 cancel कर सकते हैं. 5 10s are 50.
Yeah. So it will be 40.
40. So now LHS and RHS are equal or not?
Yes, they are equal.
So our answer is correct.